Grace. She's in a big full screen mode. She's like a crepe right now. I'm kidding. And then I'm in like a small one. And so yeah, we are.
I'm a small one too. When I see myself, I see you as a big screen one.
Okay. We're talking about Grace gonna go to the court for her jury stuff.
Wanna be one? Why me? Why me?
Yeah, she was selected to go to the court to do the jury duty stuff. Like Family Guy, like Peter Griffin. He thought it was gonna be something important, but it's not. So yeah. But yeah, good luck.
There better not be some soup.
So we are still doing our Skype chat we did it since like 10:45 a.m. in the morning, and now it's like 6 o'clock now, I think. Grace, what time is it?
5:41.
Oh, it's 5:41, and it's gonna be 6 p.m. soon. We've been talking all day. Yeah. Woohoo! I'm kidding.
Chili sauce.
Yay. So, yep. Taco chicken and my boyfriend. Ow. We're at the Costco gas station to get some gas, and it's raining like crazy. The car's gonna break. My stomach hurts because I'm on my period. It's raining. It's raining, man. Hallelujah. Okay, someone's staring at me.